Welcome y'all to a special edition unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Thredup Name Brand Handbag rescue box with 6 other YouTubers. So hopefully you've been following along. Debra started us off at 6 p.m. on her channel at TimelessJewelbyDebra, followed by Lindsey Clark, and then Marilyn at ShadyNY, followed by Janet and Brynne over at Happy Hour Haulers. And then hopefully you just hopped over here from Kristen D's channel. And then I'm going, and then after me will be Jamie over at AKA The Bag Lady. I love doing these collabs. I think they're so much fun. It's really cool just to see people who ordered boxes on the same day open them and to see how different they are. Who got what? You know, did we get some of the same items? Are they totally different? If you are new here, my name is Christina. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and The RealReal. Now, I haven't really had good luck with these boxes in the past, so I'm hoping maybe the collab energies will rub off on this box and I will get some good bags this time. Well, my last box wasn't terrible, but it did have 2 good bags in it, but there was one that was completely ruined, which was a Kate Spade, and I had to like throw it away. I mean, there were holes. It was terrible. Anyway, so hopefully the good energy from this box will change my luck. We'll see. Okay, so the name brand handbag box from Thredup is $100. You are guaranteed 4 bags and an accessory. And we're going to have a little fun today. I am going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for the instructions. But whatever accessory I unbox in this box, you will have a chance to win. So make sure you stay tuned for the rules of that. My box is coming from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure if everybody else's is too. Guess I will already know that by the time I am seeing this premiere. So hopefully we got a good one. It does feel very heavy. I guess that's a good sign, right? Okay, I did not set this up properly like I usually do. What do I have here? Okay. All right. Let's see. And I'm going to give you guys kind of a first peek off the top. I see some Kate Spade. Well, that is a good sign. All right, first item, we have a mini Kate Spade tote, and this one is kind of like that nylon material. There's little, I think these are little nylon hairs coming off. I'll have to trim those off. You can see the Kate Spade New York. Let's see, the front looks pretty good. There is some marks along the bottom here, which is expected, especially on this kind of material. Got a little bit more marks there. And then some on the corners up here. Hopefully that's the worst of it. All right, let's see. Make sure the zipper works. Uh-oh. No. We need the zipper to work. There we go. All right, that's good. I like that zipper. That's cool. All right, there's the inside. The inside looks really clean. And there's your slip pocket on the inside. It's got the little spade there. And then there's another slip pocket on this side. And honestly, I feel like you can fit a lot of stuff in here, even though it's small. Let's see. We've got the interior Kate Spade tag right there. So I am happy with this one. I'm not sure. Maybe this could maybe be the accessory. I'm not positive. We'll have to get into the box and see. I've also started selling directly, putting prices in the videos. So if you don't want to wait to purchase off of Poshmark or eBay from me and you see something you want, just email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. I'm happy to sell to you directly. So that's our first item. Yeah, oops. Next. Can you tell my desk is a mess? Next, we have a red bag. This one is a Michael Kors. You can already see Kind of some scuffing here on the nameplate. Can also see we're missing edge coat kind of around there. It's got the MK hang tag. On the back, we have the same issue. The other handle missing that edge coat. And this is another kind of smaller bag. Also in kind of a square shape. I'm trying to bend it back into shape there a little bit. That's adorable. It's a cute style. You can see the bottom. Bottom's pretty good. There's a little mark there. It's got all 4 of its feet. There's a little itty bitty slip pocket out here. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside's very clean. You have 2 slip pockets on this side, 2 on this side. Here's your Michael Kors tag. And then you've got a zipper pocket. Looks like we still have the card with the leather care instructions in it. So that's great. Let's make sure the zipper works. It does. Okay, so I'm not mad about this one either. It does come with that crossbody strap, so you can either carry it like a satchel, or you can carry it crossbody or on your shoulder. All right. Good. We're off to a good start. Next, looks like we've got another Kate Spade. That's great. And another like little satchel bag. That's awesome. There you go. Right there, you can see the Kate Spade in the center of the bow. I love this one. This is beautiful, like blue, almost like a turquoise color. This one looks in honestly perfect condition. Shouldn't say that because I'm gonna find something. But the leather looks great. Edge coat is all there. No issues. Let's check the zipper. Zipper works great. And there's a strap in here. So we've got the crossbody strap, which is awesome. And that attaches here on the outside, kind of like the last bag if you decide you want to carry it crossbody or over your shoulder. You've got the 2 slip pockets on this side. And then on this side, you've got the Kate Spade tag and zipper pocket. There is a mark here inside the zipper pocket. I don't know if y'all can see that. It looks like someone wrote a number or something in here. Okay, so there is that. Other than that mark, and there may be a little like makeup stain right there. This bag is in great condition. There's a little mark here. I bet that'll wipe off. So this one comes with the strap. So far this is probably the best name brand handbag box I've gotten. So that's awesome. I've gotten 2 Kate Spades in this one. All right, I'm going to give y'all another peek. So I've opened 3 bags so far. And it's supposed to be 4 plus an accessory. Okay, and it looks like what's left in here, they're larger bags. So that's great. All right. Here we go. We've got a gray leather, kind of like a chain and leather handle shoulder bag. It is Michael Kors, and it's got its hardware hanging there. There are some marks here on the corner. I can try to wipe those off, see if they come off. And then there is some wear to the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sometimes it's really hard to see on camera. Like through here, that looks like wear to the leather, not just being dirty. There's a couple marks here, but overall in pretty great shape. So not mad about this one either. There is a slip pocket on the outside. That one looks good. So let's see if I can get all the chains sorted. I can open this one up. We have another one that's very clean on the inside. I feel like this one I could like throw a tablet in or something. This looks great. So again, we have our 2 slip pockets here with the Michael Kors tag, and then your zipper pocket. And then on this side, we've got 2 slip pockets, and that's a pretty deep bag. And then it's got a magnetic closure here. So I'm also happy with that one. Okay, so last item. I mean, can we even believe that it's another Kate Spade? I think I've only ever gotten one Kate Spade in one of these boxes before. So this one reminds me kind of summer. It's got kind of that basket weave look to it, and then this really gorgeous, huge white leather bow on the front. So let's take a look for condition. There's your nameplate there. And this is kind of the style of bags I usually carry. It looks like there's some little marks here on the side. I'm thinking that will probably wipe off. The bottom looks really good, especially for being white. And then you've got your little feet on the bottom. The straps look great. They've got all their edge coat. And this one's super clean also. I have to say, I'm impressed with this box. I mean, especially with condition. So this one's very clean. It's got the 2 slip pockets, and then you've got the zipper pocket on this side with your spade. Right there. And the inside is like a nice canvas. It feels very durable. And then the closure for this one is the little latch like this. Wow. Oh, and here's the tag. If I show that to you guys right here, the Kate Spade tag. Right there. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm very happy with this. Okay, so let's count up the bags. Okay, I got this huge Kate Spade tote for one. And again, overall, I would say that these were all in really good condition. I got the Michael Kors shoulder bag for 2. Got this gorgeous, almost like Tiffany blue, Kate Spade leather bag that comes with the strap for 3. Then the Michael Kors red leather satchel, also with the crossbody strap, for 4. And then I think this is also the first time that I've never gotten a wallet as an accessory. I got this Kate Spade mini nylon Barbie core pink bag for the accessory. How awesome. So I am very happy with my box. I'm interested to see what everybody else got. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I will be giving away this Kate Spade bag. All you have to do to enter is to go through each person that was in the collab. And again, all of their channels will be listed in the description. Make sure that you've liked their video, commented, and subscribed. And if you subscribe to all the channels and do that, just come back and comment in this video, subscribed, and I will draw a winner on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. And I will let the winner know in the comments that they have won, and I will mail this. YouTube is not associated with this giveaway. I will also try to clean this up for you a little bit on the bottom. Yeah, YouTube's not associated with this. I will be covering all the shipping fees, but I have 2 friends in this collab, Triple H, Happy Hour Haulers, that are in the 700s with their subscriber count. And then Jamie, aka the bag lady, who's up after me, is almost to 1,000 subscribers. I think as of the time of recording this video, she's only like 23 subscribers away. So please go support her, you guys. We are going to be hopping to her channel next, so make sure you join us in the chat there. And let me know what you guys thought of my box. I mean, I don't really know if we're doing a battle of the boxes, but I feel like mine was really good. Let me know what y'all think. I will see you a little bit later this week. I will be doing another unboxing on Tuesday. See y'all then. Bye.